Aloha and thanks for visiting my channel. My name is Marianne Will and this is my parrot Izzy. Today is Thursday, March 26, 2020 and I'm here in Haleiwa, Hawaii. It is kind of windy, a little bit cold. I haven't left the house in quite a few days. It is day number 3 of the lockdown here in Hawaii. And we're trying our best to amuse ourselves and find things to do. So yeah, I'm making more videos. And today I'm gonna do videos of Izzy because he is my favorite little bird and he loves being in front of the camera actually. So today Izzy and I are going to try the white strips. I've done a couple of these so far and I'm not sure if they're making my teeth white, but we're gonna put these on today. I have to keep them on for 30 whole minutes. Am I recording? So I took the white strips off. I hope my teeth look a little bit whiter. Anyway, Izzy helped a lot. Right, Izzy? Yes, you did. The next makeup palette that we're going to be reviewing is the Huda Beauty Corals Obsessions. Okay, and this is after. What do you think? No lashes today. Izzy, do you like my eye makeup today? You think it's too much, don't you?
It's all warm now.
There you go. Oh, hey, sweetie. Bye-bye. There you go. Is it too warm? You don't like it? So today our video is going to center around Izzy. He is my little bird. He's an Indian ringneck and he is, I'm not really quite sure how many years old he is because we adopted him in 2013. But he has a mind of his own. He's very stubborn and we love him so very much. But he doesn't like a lot of noise outside, so he gets a little bit freaked out. He usually likes being in front of the camera. Right, Izzy? And he likes chewing on a lot of stuff. But I'll be showing him throughout the day as I go about my business, cooking, cleaning, putting on makeup, etc. Right, Izzy? You make such a mess. Hey, Izzy, what's going on? Are you hungry? You ready to go? Okay. So let's go get something to eat. You want some, I'm having pumpkin bread. You want some pumpkin bread? Oh, where are you going, sweetie? It's hot. Dude, you're getting my shirt dirty. So Izzy's never eaten tuna before. He does like mayonnaise, but I don't think he's ever had mayonnaise and tuna. So we're making tuna fish with mayo, and then I'm gonna put it in some seaweed. This is good stuff. Okay, Izzy, you ready? You want some? Okay, Mom got it done. Here goes. You like it? I think you just like the mayo. Is it okay? You're not sure yet, right? You're on the fence on that? I think it's missing something. I'm not sure. Okay, so I know what he likes. He likes this, which is Kirkland's seaweed. And you're actually looking forward to this, huh? Dude, you gotta eat it like a whole thing, like, yum. He'll basically eat whatever I eat if I show enough enthusiasm. So this is my low-carb meal for the day. I've got guacamole. I got seaweed. And I got tuna. Now, birds are not allowed to eat guacamole. Supposedly, it's too fat for them, and it could cause them to die. So Izzy is not gonna have any of this, but he does like seaweed. It's one of his favorite things. And I'm gonna see if he'll eat the seaweed with the tuna. Okay, let's try the tuna, okay? He likes it. Okay, Izzy, I know you want to take a shower. Okay, have it nice and warm. You ready? Okay, there you are. Is it too much for you? There's the baby. It's